happy to be back on the top, for sure.
So here in Fafe for Fafe 1, we've got back-to-back GPs here. This is round 4. Sun's out, it's going to be pretty dusty out there in the track. Track's going to break down quite a bit, but no, I'm looking forward to it.
I need all the wins, yeah. No wins, gotta get this call to quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all of this. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out.
Nós devemos salvo palmas, venha lá. Eu agradecemos o apoio e vocês têm que retribuir. Kawasaki de Keilenbeke.
Incredible, emotional. First of all, I sleep 2 hours tonight. It was a difficult day, hard, long. Yesterday I fly Barcelona. I become a dad last night. I see how my daughter born yesterday and win today is incredible. Thank you.
Fighting for the overall win, leading the class by a good margin going into the last special test, and fortunately I had a technical issue right off the start, tried to fix it there, couldn't manage to do it anyway, I had to bump the bike off the start of the special test, managed to finish the special test, get back to the paddock, miss the last Chio cut-off time. So yeah, unfortunately DNF from the day.
Congratulations riders, Verona, Pichon and Garcia.
Morning everyone, new day today. We had a bit of rain last night, but now look forward to be better in the first lap compared to yesterday and try to catch the first place EnduroGP. I finished not so far yesterday, so this is the goal for today, and I will never give up, so let's go. Feels good. That was a tough beginning of the season, but now it feels good to win again. Back on top of EnduroGP is very nice. Same place as last year. I think Fafe is good for me.
But in the last corner.
Right away, Team MOTO from France. Fim de semana de sonho para o piloto francês Josep Pichon da Team MOTO.